We're going to move on to our next cluster in math, which is statistics and probability. The first topic we're going to take a look at is median and mode. So a couple key terms I want you to take away from this is the measure of central tendency, which is a value that represents the center of a set of data, and this can be either the mean, the median, or the mode. The median is the middle number in a set of data, and this data must be arranged in increasing order. And then we have the mode, which is the most frequent number in a set of data. So we're going to go through a couple of examples. For median, for example, 1, you can see that the data is already in increasing order. What you're going to do is you're going to cross off the pairs consisting of the least and greatest number in the set of data. So here we have 2 and 9, so that would be a pair. You're going to cross them off. Next we have 5 and 8, and then we have one number left, which is 6, and it's going to be in the middle of the data, so that is going to be your median. Some of you may be able to work with these kind of questions without crossing off numbers, which is totally okay, but this might help you guide a little bit. The next example we're going to take a look at is going to have 6 numbers in its set of data. So same thing is you're going to cross off pairs consisting of the least and greatest number. So we have 1 and 10, then we have 3 and 9. Now you can see that we are left with 2 numbers. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the average of the 2. We have 6 plus 8, and we're just going to divide by 2. So we have 14 divided by 2 equals 7. So then the median is going to be 7. Next, we're going to move on to mode. So we'll take a look at 2 examples. Remember, mode is the most frequent number in a set of data. So a set of data may have no repeating numbers, so we'll have no modes. What you're going to do is just cross off the numbers that don't repeat itself. So in example 1, 3, we don't see any other 3s. 5, no other 5s. We have 2 7s and just 1 9, so cross off 9. So then 7 is going to be our mode. Next example, we're going to do the same thing. So we have 2 2s, we have a 4, 2 6s, an 8, and 11. So here the mode is going to be 2 and 6.